Picture this, a silent, starlit void stretching across the infinite reaches of space. Among the countless pinpricks of light, a single speck moves with purpose, slicing through the cosmic darkness at a staggering 130,000 miles per hour. This is no ordinary space rock. This is 3I/ATLAS, a mysterious object hurtling toward our solar system, defying everything we thought we knew about the universe. Detected by NASA's vigilant telescopes, this interstellar traveler has sparked a firestorm of curiosity, debate, and even unease among the world's top astronomers. Its strange behavior, a dust tail pointing toward the sun, a trajectory threading impossibly close to multiple planets, and a convenient disappearance behind the sun at its brightest moment, has left experts questioning whether this is a comet at all. As of September 1st, 2025, the mystery of 3I/ATLAS is unfolding in real time, and its secrets could rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. Buckle up, because this cosmic journey is about to take you on a ride through the stars, filled with wonder, suspicion, and the thrill of the unknown. What is 3I/ATLAS, and what does it mean for humanity? Let's dive into the story of a visitor that's anything but ordinary. It began as a faint glimmer, a tiny speck of light moving against the backdrop of distant stars. In early 2025, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and the newly operational Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile caught sight of something extraordinary. This wasn't just another comet or asteroid from our solar system's backyard. This was 3I/ATLAS, only the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our cosmic neighborhood. Unlike its predecessors, Oumuamua in 2017, and Borisov in 2019, this visitor is rewriting the rulebook of celestial mechanics. Its discovery sent shockwaves through the astronomical community, not just for its origin beyond our solar system, but for the baffling anomalies it displays. Imagine a comet, but not as you know it. Comets, those icy wanderers of space, typically release gas and dust as they approach the sun, forming a glowing tail that streams away from the star's intense radiation. But 3I/ATLAS, its dust tail points toward the sun, an impossibility under normal physics. Solar radiation should push dust particles outward, not pull them inward. This alone would be enough to raise eyebrows, but there's more. Spectroscopic analysis, which examines the light emitted or absorbed by an object to reveal its composition, shows no detectable gas emissions from 3I/ATLAS. Normal comets release clouds of gas as they warm, creating their iconic tails. Yet this object sheds only dust, a silent enigma racing through our system. And then there's its size. Initial measurements suggest 3I/ATLAS could be up to 5.6 kilometers across, making it potentially the largest interstellar object ever observed. To put that in perspective, that's larger than many mountains on Earth, hurtling through space at speeds that defy our ability to chase it. Its trajectory is equally perplexing, weaving a path that brings it unusually close to Mars, Venus, and Jupiter in a single pass. A cosmic alignment so statistically improbable that it feels almost deliberate. And just when astronomers would have the best chance to study it, 3I/ATLAS will slip behind the sun, hidden from Earth's view at its brightest and most active moment. Coincidence? Or something more? The evidence is mounting, and it's impossible to look away. What would you think if you saw these leaked NASA images before the official reports? A comet or something stranger? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation about this cosmic mystery. Stick with me, because this story is just getting started, and the truth about 3I/ATLAS might change everything. Let's zoom in on the journey of 3I/ATLAS, because this is where the plot thickens. This interstellar visitor doesn't just drift through our solar system, it dances through it with a precision that feels almost choreographed. Entering from above the plane of our planets, 3I/ATLAS follows a trajectory that brings it remarkably close to three major planets in succession. In early October 2025, it will pass within 30 million kilometers of Mars, close enough that NASA's rovers, like Perseverance, might capture glimpses of its eerie glow. By late 2025, it swings past Venus at about 0.7 astronomical units, a stone's throw in cosmic terms. Then, in 2026, it approaches Jupiter, coming within 0.3 to 0.4 astronomical units of the gas giant's turbulent atmosphere. This path is no accident. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, a leading voice in interstellar research, and his colleagues have crunched the numbers. Their verdict? The odds of an interstellar object randomly passing this close to 3 planets are vanishingly small. Think winning the cosmic lottery 3 times in a row. The trajectory is so precise that it mirrors the kind of path NASA engineers designed for spacecraft like Voyager, using planetary gravity to slingshot probes efficiently through the solar system. If someone or something wanted to deploy observation devices across Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, this would be the perfect route. A craft could drop monitoring packages at each planet without needing to adjust its course or speed, threading a cosmic needle with surgical accuracy. But the strangest part? The timing. On October 29th, 2025, 3I/ATLAS will reach perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, while positioned directly behind it from Earth's perspective. This means that at its brightest, most active moment, it will be completely hidden from our telescopes, obscured by the Sun's blinding glare. Even the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky, will be powerless to observe it. This cosmic vanishing act has sparked whispers of suspicion. Could this timing be intentional, shielding 3I/ATLAS from scrutiny at its most revealing moment? The question lingers, heavy with possibility. What do you think? Pure chance, or a trajectory too perfect to be natural? Share your theories in the comments, and let's keep unraveling this mystery together. The path of 3I/ATLAS is a puzzle, and every clue brings us closer to the truth. The story of 3I/ATLAS took a dramatic turn when leaked images from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and the Vera C. Rubin Observatory surfaced, revealing details too extraordinary to ignore. These high-resolution observations, quietly circulated among insiders, paint a picture of an object that defies categorization. The sunward-facing dust tail, the absence of gas emissions, the massive size, and the improbable trajectory. These aren't just quirks, they're red flags. Astronomers worldwide are buzzing, some with excitement, others with genuine concern. This isn't just a comet acting strange, it's a cosmic anomaly that challenges the very laws of physics. Let's break it down. First, that dust tail. Solar radiation pressure should push dust particles away from the sun, creating a tail that streams outward. Yet 3I/ATLAS's tail points toward the sun, suggesting an anisotropic dust emission, material venting with enough force from its sun-facing side to overcome solar pressure. Scientists have run computer models to simulate this behavior, and the results are baffling. Without gas jets to propel the dust, what could be causing this? The mystery deepens with the lack of gas emissions. On July 3rd, 2025, spectroscopic analysis confirmed no detectable gases in 3I/ATLAS's coma, the hazy envelope surrounding a comet's nucleus. This silence is deafening. Normal comets release gases like carbon dioxide or water vapor as they heat up, but 3I/ATLAS remains stubbornly mute. Then there's its size. At up to 5.6 kilometers across, it dwarfs most known comets, interstellar or otherwise. If confirmed, this would make it a behemoth, a relic of cosmic proportions. Its rotation, calculated at roughly every 16 hours based on brightness variations, offers clues about its structure, but raises more questions. Is it a solid object or a loosely bound conglomerate of dust and ice? The astronomical community is mobilizing a global effort to find answers. The James Webb Space Telescope will peer in infrared, searching for heat signatures or exotic chemical compounds. NASA's TESS satellite, typically used for exoplanet hunting, is now tracking 3I/ATLAS's brightness changes. The Swift Observatory will scan for ultraviolet and X-ray emissions, probing how the solar wind interacts with this intruder. Polarimetric analysis, which studies the orientation of light waves reflected off the object, could reveal whether its surface is icy, dusty, or even metallic. These leaked images have ignited a firestorm of speculation. Some astronomers wonder if 3I/ATLAS could be a natural comet pushed to extremes by unknown forces. Others, like Avi Loeb, entertain bolder possibilities. Could it be artificial, a probe from a distant civilization? The truth is, we don't know yet, but the stakes are high. What's your take on these anomalies? Drop a comment and let's discuss whether this is a cosmic coincidence or something far more profound. The clock is ticking, and 3I/ATLAS isn't waiting for us to catch up. What makes 3I/ATLAS truly extraordinary isn't just its strange behavior, it's what it might carry. This interstellar visitor could be a scientific treasure trove, holding clues to the universe's ancient past. Water ice has already been detected in its coma, but the composition of this water could rewrite our understanding of cosmic origins. Scientists are eager to measure its deuterium to hydrogen ratio, a chemical fingerprint that reveals where and how water formed. If this ratio differs significantly from Earth's oceans, it would confirm that 3I/ATLAS hails from a completely different stellar environment, perhaps orbiting a star with a unique chemical makeup. Even more astonishing is its potential age. Early studies suggest 3I/ATLAS originated in the Milky Way's thick disk, a region populated by ancient stars. This could make it an estimated 7 billion years old, older than our sun, which formed just 4.6 billion years ago. Let that sink in. This object may have been wandering the galaxy before Earth even existed. If confirmed, it would be the oldest comet ever observed, a cosmic time capsule carrying pristine samples of interstellar dust from the galaxy's infancy. These grains, untouched for billions of years, could reveal how planets formed in the early Milky Way, offering a glimpse into the chemistry of a universe long gone. When spacecraft with magnetometers study 3I/ATLAS, they might detect unusual magnetic signatures, hinting at metallic content or a composition unlike anything in our solar system. If its ice carries a different chemical signature than Earth's water, it could mean we're holding fragments from an alien solar system. Imagine that, a piece of another star's legacy delivered to our doorstep. This is why astronomers are racing against time. Every observation, every data point brings us closer to unlocking secrets that have been locked away for eons. 3I/ATLAS isn't our first brush with interstellar visitors, and it's starting to look like a pattern. In 2017, Oumuamua burst onto the scene, a cigar-shaped enigma that accelerated inexplicably as it left our solar system. Scientists ruled out typical cometary outgassing, but the cause of its speed boost remains a mystery. Avi Loeb famously suggested it could be artificial, a hypothesis that sparked heated debate. Then, in 2019, Borisov arrived, looking more like a traditional comet, until it shattered unexpectedly during its closest approach to the sun, revealing an internal structure unlike anything we'd seen. These anomalies echo other cosmic mysteries that forced us to rethink our assumptions. The Pioneer anomaly, for instance, puzzled scientists for decades as spacecraft experienced unexplained acceleration, later attributed to thermal radiation pressure. Each interstellar visitor challenges our models of what's out there. Oumuamua's acceleration defied physics. Borisov's fragmentation surprised comet experts. Now, 3I/ATLAS brings a backward-pointing tail, a statistically improbable path, and a size that dwarfs its predecessors. The pattern is clear. Our understanding of interstellar objects is incomplete, and each new visitor pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. If this pattern holds, what might the next interstellar object reveal? Could 3I/ATLAS be the key to unlocking a new era of astronomy where we rethink the very nature of the cosmos? Let's talk about it. Drop your predictions in the comments and let's speculate on what's next. The universe is full of surprises, and 3I/ATLAS is proof that we're only scratching the surface. While astronomers scramble to study 3I/ATLAS, another group is quietly watching, the U.S. Space Command. Their Space Situational Awareness program, equipped with advanced radar systems like the Space Fence, tracks objects across the solar system with pinpoint precision. Yet, despite 3I/ATLAS being potentially the largest and fastest interstellar object ever detected, official statements from military and defense agencies have been scarce. Why the silence? One possibility is that 3I/ATLAS is being used as a real-world test case. Its massive size, unprecedented speed, and unusual trajectory make it an ideal scenario for planetary defense drills. Agencies like the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, and NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office could be simulating how to respond to a genuine interstellar threat. A fast-moving, massive object from deep space is the ultimate nightmare for those tasked with protecting Earth. Its speed, 100 130,000 miles per hour makes interception impossible with current technology. By the time we could launch a probe, 3I/ATLAS would be long gone, vanishing into the interstellar void. This silence raises questions. Are defense agencies withholding data to avoid public panic, or are they simply observing in secret using 3I/ATLAS to refine their detection systems and response protocols? The strategic implications are undeniable. An object that can navigate our solar system with such precision demands attention, whether it's a natural comet or something more. What do you think? Is this just a scientific curiosity or something defense agencies should be worried about? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's dig into the bigger picture. The detective work on 3I/ATLAS began before its official discovery. During equipment testing, the Rubin Observatory accidentally captured 49 pre-covery images of the object, revealing its sunward-facing dust tail long before anyone knew it existed. These images were a goldmine, offering a head start on unraveling the mystery. Scientists have since launched a multi-wavelength campaign, deploying every tool at their disposal. The James Webb Space Telescope will search for infrared heat signatures, potentially revealing exotic ices or chemical compounds. The Swift Observatory will probe ultraviolet and X-ray emissions, while polarimetric analysis could uncover whether 3I/ATLAS's surface is icy, dusty, or metallic. The lack of gas emissions remains a puzzle. Without gas jets to propel its dust, what's driving that backward-pointing tail? Computer models suggest anisotropic dust emission, but the mechanism is unclear. The object's 16-hour rotation cycle offers clues about its structure, but every answer raises new questions. If 3I/ATLAS carries water with a different deuterium to hydrogen ratio than Earth's, it could confirm its origins in a distant alien solar system. If its magnetic signatures suggest metallic content, it might hint at a composition unlike any comet we've studied. This scientific hunt is a race against time. As 3I/ATLAS approaches perihelion on October 29, 2025, it will vanish behind the sun, out of sight from Earth's telescopes. NASA is exploring creative solutions, tasking spacecraft like the Perseverance rover, Maven orbiter, and Juno spacecraft near Jupiter to capture unique perspectives. These observations could be our only chance to glimpse 3I/ATLAS at its most active. What secrets will they reveal? Join the conversation in the comments, and let's speculate on what these missions might uncover. The climax of the 3I/ATLAS saga is fast approaching. On October 29th, 2025, it will reach perihelion, its closest point to the sun. But here's the twist. At that exact moment, it will be hidden behind the sun, invisible to Earth's observatories. This cosmic blackout has sparked debate. Is it a fluke of timing or something more deliberate? Avi Loeb has noted that this alignment could, in theory, shield the object from scrutiny at its most revealing moment. When 3I/ATLAS reemerges in November and December 2025, astronomers will be ready, telescopes trained on the sky. What will we see? Will it fragment like Borisov, offering a glimpse into its internal structure? Will it unleash a sudden burst of activity, releasing gases that were previously undetectable? Or will it sail through perihelion unchanged, suggesting a solid, stable composition unlike any comet we know? The James Webb Space Telescope could detect exotic ices or compounds, while spacecraft at Mars and Jupiter might capture images from angles Earth can't. Every observation is a piece of the puzzle, and the picture is still incomplete. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. 3I/ATLAS, possibly 7 billion years old, is a fleeting visitor, never to return. Its journey through our solar system is a brief encounter between our young star system and a relic from another time and place. Whether it's a natural comet pushed to extremes or something more extraordinary, it carries secrets from beyond our stars. What do you hope we discover when 3I/ATLAS reappears? Drop your predictions in the comments and let's keep the excitement alive. Hit that like button if you're as captivated by this mystery as I am, and share this story to spread the wonder. If the scientific potential of 3I/ATLAS is thrilling, its historical significance is downright awe-inspiring. This interstellar wanderer isn't just a snapshot of another star system, it's a fossil from the galaxy's ancient past. Originating in the Milky Way's thick disk, a region populated by stars that formed billions of years before our sun, 3I/ATLAS could be a staggering 7 billion years old. To grasp the magnitude of this, consider that Earth's oceans, the cradle of life as we know it, are mere infants at 4.6 billion years. This object was likely born in the fiery crucible of a long-dead star, its ice and dust locking away chemical secrets from a time when the Milky Way was still forming. It's like finding a letter written before humanity existed, sealed in a cosmic envelope and delivered across eons to our doorstep. What makes this even more compelling is the possibility that 3I/ATLAS carries interstellar dust grains, tiny particles that have remained untouched since the galaxy's infancy. These grains could reveal the conditions of star and planet formation in the early Milky Way, offering a glimpse into the processes that birthed worlds like ours. Scientists are particularly eager to study its water ice, which could have a deuterium to hydrogen ratio vastly different from Earth's. If so, it would confirm that 3I/ATLAS formed in a stellar environment with a unique chemical makeup, perhaps orbiting a star with a metallicity unlike our sun's. Imagine holding a piece of another star's legacy, a fragment of a world that existed billions of years ago. What stories could it tell? Share your thoughts in the comments. Does the idea of a 7 billion year old visitor spark your imagination, or does it make you wonder what else is out there? Beyond the science and the speculation, 3I/ATLAS is a reminder of our place in the cosmos, a small, curious species gazing up at a universe that's vast, ancient, and full of mysteries. This interstellar visitor, racing through our solar system at breakneck speed, isn't just a puzzle for astronomers. It's a call to humanity to stay curious, to ask questions, and to seek answers. Its journey, spanning billions of years and countless light years, intersects with our own for just a fleeting moment, yet it carries the potential to reshape how we see ourselves. Are we alone in the universe, or is 3I/ATLAS a hint that other worlds, other intelligences have left their mark on the stars? The possibility, however remote, ignites a spark of wonder that connects us all. This cosmic encounter also highlights the power of human collaboration. From the astronomers analyzing data at the Rubin Observatory to the engineers repurposing NASA's rovers and orbiters, the study of 3I/ATLAS is a global effort. It's a testament to our drive to understand the unknown, to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we await its reappearance from behind the sun in late 2025, the anticipation is palpable. Will it reveal new secrets about the galaxy's past, or will it deepen the mystery, leaving us with more questions than answers? This is why 3I/ATLAS matters. It's not just a comet or a cosmic oddity. It's a mirror reflecting our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our relentless quest for truth. Let's keep the conversation alive. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and share this story to inspire others. The universe is calling, and 3I/ATLAS is our chance to answer. As 3I/ATLAS races through our solar system, it's more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder of how much we still don't know. Its backward-pointing tail, improbable trajectory, and massive size challenge our assumptions about the universe. The leaked images that sparked this investigation revealed an object that defies easy answers, uniting astronomers in a global quest for truth. In the coming months, as it swings around the sun and heads back to interstellar space, we have one fleeting chance to uncover its secrets. This ancient traveler, older than our sun, has journeyed across unimaginable distances to reach us. In cosmic terms, it's just passing through, a brief hello from the depths of the galaxy. Yet it asks us a profound question: are we ready to listen? Whether it reveals new insights into comet physics, the chemistry of distant stars, or something entirely unexpected, 3I/ATLAS is a wake-up call. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises, and we're only beginning to understand its wonders. Let's keep the conversation going. What do you think 3I/ATLAS is? A comet, a relic, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and spread the word about this cosmic mystery. The truth is out there, waiting to be discovered, and together we'll watch as this interstellar visitor reveals its secrets. The story of 3I/ATLAS isn't over, it's just beginning, and the universe is watching. The journey of 3I/ATLAS through our solar system feels like a celestial ballet, each movement deliberate and breathtaking. Its trajectory, threading past Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, isn't just a random wander. It's a performance that seems to defy the chaos of the cosmos. Consider the precision, a single object born in the depths of interstellar space, aligning so closely with 3 planets in a single pass. This isn't just a statistical anomaly, it's a cosmic choreography that feels almost intentional. The way 3I/ATLAS skims within 30 million kilometers of Mars, close enough to be seen by rovers on the red planet's surface, then gracefully arcs toward Venus and Jupiter, suggests a path that could have been designed with purpose. Could this be nature's fluke, or is there something more at play? The idea that an object could navigate our solar system with such accuracy sparks a sense of awe and a touch of unease. What if this path was chosen, not by chance, but by some unknown intelligence? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this just a cosmic coincidence, or does it feel like a message from the stars? While astronomers marvel at 3I/ATLAS, the silence from military and defense agencies speaks volumes. The US Space Command, with its Space Fence radar system, can track objects as small as a marble across the solar system, yet their response to this massive high-speed intruder has been curiously muted. This isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a strategic one. An object of this size and speed, following a trajectory that threads the needle of our planetary system, is the kind of scenario that keeps planetary defense experts up at night. The All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, and NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office are likely running simulations behind closed doors, using 3I/ATLAS as a test case for an interstellar threat. Its speed, 130,000 miles per hour, means we couldn't intercept it even if we tried. This raises a chilling question. If this object were artificial or even hostile, would we be ready? The lack of public statements from these agencies only fuels speculation. Are they withholding information to prevent panic, or are they simply gathering data in secret? Share your take in the comments. Should we be concerned about this silence, or is it just business as usual for planetary defense? As 3I/ATLAS hurtles toward its rendezvous with the sun, the global scientific community is pulling out all the stops to uncover its secrets. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory's pre-covery images were just the beginning. Now, telescopes across the spectrum are joining the hunt. The James Webb Space Telescope's infrared observations could reveal hidden heat signatures or exotic ices, while the Swift Observatory's ultraviolet and X-ray scans might uncover how 3I/ATLAS interacts with the solar wind. Polarimetric analysis could tell us whether its surface is icy, dusty, or something stranger, like a metallic sheen that hints at an unnatural origin. NASA's spacecraft, from the Perseverance rover on Mars to the Juno probe near Jupiter, are being repurposed to capture unique angles during the comet's perihelion blackout. This coordinated effort is a testament to humanity's relentless curiosity, a collective push to pierce the veil of the unknown. What will we find when 3I/ATLAS emerges from the sun's glare? Will it confirm our theories about interstellar comets, or will it upend everything we know? Let's keep the discussion alive. Drop your predictions in the comments and share this cosmic mystery with others. The truth is out there.